To all my Apple fans, here is another one. June 6, 2022 was the Worldwide Developer Conference, WWDC. In this annual event, Apple unveiled a whole lot for you. Sit back, relax, and let's have a look. It's your public tech advisor. Let's get you up to date. First, on the iPhone, iOS 16 comes with a new set of features, from sharing, communication to personalization features. A new screen that lets you customize the look and feel with images, widgets, colors, and emojis. You can create lock screen with spatial depth effect, bokeh background, and filters that can change on hold and swipe. Tap on any element to customize. Choose from different options to suit your taste, like weather wallpaper, emoji, astronomy, and nature. There is also live activities that lets you keep track of live events like sports, workout, track your Uber, music, and more. You can link all this to Focus to let you stay in the loop and in the moment. Focus filter even lets you narrow down to specific notification and home screen to cut out all the distraction, draw boundaries, and establish balance. Messages got a boost on iOS 16 with 3 new features. You can now edit message you just sent, retract or recall any message misfire with undo send, and mark messages so you can reply later in case you don't have ready answer. Texting is now easier and efficient. Do you agree? Well, let me know down in the comments. Compose messages with dictation, moving from voice to touch with no fuss. Automatic punctuation and emoji detection with Siri helping with AI with zero setup. Live text in videos. Pause a video and copy a text right from the screen. Yes, actually copying text from video playing and pasting it somewhere. Touch and hold an image and extract it out to paste it in messages. This is magic. And more, with wallets to hold your card, keys, and IDs. Maps with new city experience, details of land cover in 3D, multi-stop routing, transit, and look around. Also introduced is updated iCloud, Home, and CarPlay. This is magic. Second, Apple Watch. WatchOS 9 comes with new set of faces, astronomy, lunar calendar with support for Chinese, Hebrew, and Islamic calendars, new Siri UI, and notification banners. For workout, I don't even know what this tech is doing. Look, just for running, to get you the needed measurement to track how efficiently you run, they extrapolate your torso movement from the distinctive style of your arm swing, then use machine learning and sensor fusion, a combination of accelerometer and gyroscope to isolate your torso movement and measure how much vertical oscillation is produced. Heart rate zones, custom workout to guide you on when to switch between walks and picking up pace, all automatically saved on the workout app, and enables smooth transitioning between different workouts from swimming to cycling and running. And on iOS 16, the fitness app is available on iPhone even if you don't have the Apple Watch. And these are some of the features of the WatchOS 9, one of the most advanced wearable operating system from Apple. Now, let's talk about processors. Previously, Apple prepared our minds with an upcoming chip in the M series family with the "That's a story for another day" suspense. And here we are today. They introduced the M2 as the second generation. More power efficiency, performance, more and more transistors, and unified memory bandwidth. 5nm technology that can accommodate up to 20 billion transistors that delivers 100 gigabit per second unified memory bandwidth, 50% more than M1. And a neural engine that can perform 15.8 trillion operations per second, over 40% more than M1. 8-core CPU for performance and efficiency, dedicated cores on a quarter of the power needed compared to others in the industry. 25% higher GPU performance, next generation secure enclave, media engine, ProRes videos that is able to play back multiple streams of 4K and 8K videos, and that is M2, Apple next generation SoC silicon. And the first Mac to get the M2 chip is the MacBook Air, redesigned in a new form factor, thin and sleek as usual, but the wedge shape is gone, replaced by the MacBook Pro-like thin, rounded design in silver, space gray, starlight, and midnight finishes. The MagSafe charger is back, 2 Thunderbolt ports, audio jack for high impedance headphones, liquid retina display 13.6 inch, thinner border, brighter with more colors, 1080p HD webcam, integrated mic and 4-speaker sound system, Touch ID and Force Touch trackpad. Silent, far less design with all-day battery life, compact 67 watts power adapter that can fast charge 50% in 30 minutes. And that's the M2 MacBook Air. The second Mac to get the M2 chip is the new 13-inch MacBook Pro. This retains the regular design, it just got a new chip with more of all of the regular blah blah blah. Starting price for the MacBook Air is $1,200. For the 13-inch MacBook Pro is $1,300. Available from July 2022. Next is macOS. A new version just dropped. They call it macOS Ventura. What does it got more than Monterey? Well, new window arrangement front and center with Stage Manager to enable you cycle through all open windows, pairing and stacking them. Opening of apps is faster. Drag on top to open and drop to start working. Spotlight search is faster and richer, available on iPad and iPhones too. Mail got a boost too, with undo send, schedule send, follow-up suggestion, remind me, and search. Richer experience with Safari, shared tab group with your friends, and collaborations. For added security, here comes passkeys as the next generation credentials to replace password. Created with your fingerprint or Face ID for each website or app it's created for, and can be used across other devices using iCloud keychain. Continuity with FaceTime in that you will be able to transfer FaceTime calls between your Mac, iPad, and iPhone. Continuity camera that lets you use your iPhone camera as webcam wirelessly, and you even can do more with Studio Light, blurred background, and text view created from one of the iPhone's camera while on FaceTime. This is macOS Ventura. Then to iPadOS. With the same familiar look, the iPadOS 16 brings in a shared library, tabs on Safari and weather app. Collaborations let you share your work right from the window. Everyone can join in and start editing. Immediately call the group to discuss, switch to Safari to share tab and browse more, and add it to the main file you are working on. Available also on iOS and macOS. Freeform takes collaboration to the next level on iPad. On a FaceTime call, you can sketch or write a note anywhere with Apple Pencil, work on PDFs, documents, photos, videos, audios, web links, and more. Preview right in line. Coming later this year on iPad, Mac, and iPhone. Multiplayer game on Play Center. Desktop apps features like undo, redo, change file extension, folder sizes, find and replace, duplicate, export, rename, and more customization. Virtual memory swap of up to 16 gig on M1 iPad. Stage Manager with Windows management right here on iPad. Resize windows, switch in between apps, pairing apps you are working on with automatic repositioning. Extend the screen with an external display and continue working as a single workflow uninterrupted. Up to 8 apps running simultaneously. And that's the iPadOS 16. Innovation streak continues at Apple with a plethora of hardware, software, and services released in this WWDC 2022. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Cheers.